Hey guys, so today let's make a confectionery box out of this little cute origami. I'm gonna use it to put paper clips in, but you can use however you want. It's usually used to put snacks in, but I'm gonna use it for paper clips. So what you need is the following, just one ingredient. So I'm gonna use a wooden green chiogami, which is the same as origami. There's 25 each for 100 papers. I bought it at DAISO and it's about 15 centimeters times 15 centimeters. Open it and see how it is. I really wish the design of these. It's really simple and cute. I chose this whitish, grayish wooden origami. So first, put the white side up and then make a triangle by putting the edge and the edge together. Next, once you do that, open it and then put it to the other direction like this, and then do the same thing. Make sure you do this neatly so that you won't mess up afterwards. After you fold that, you should get this lines and then put it back over and then make a square now by putting the edge and the edge together like this. Make sure you do this neatly. And open and do the same thing on the other side. Again, do it neatly so that you won't mess up afterwards. After you're done with that, put the white side upward and then put all the lines together as the line is like your assistant. You want to make a square like this. Put all the straight lines together to make a square. It should be like this, and the open part should be on the top and the closed part should be on the bottom. There should be 4 flaps. Now you want to put the paper that's on top to the bottom, just one paper. And it should be like 2 flaps on the top and like a triangle on the bottom. Do the same thing to the other side. Now the 2 flaps really should be independent. Now flip a single paper to the right, like this, so that the white side will be up. And do the same thing to the other side, so it will be 2 to 2. The closed part is on the bottom. Now match the top right edge to the middle and the top left edge to the middle. It should be like this, and make sure you do it neatly again. So the top right and the top left. I'll turn it so that it's way easier to do it. Do the same thing for the other side. Top right to the middle and top left to the middle. It doesn't really matter which one you start with. I start with top right and top left for the front, and then top left and then top right for the back side. When that is complete, match the top point to the bottom point like this. It should really be easy to fold because of the lines that you made before. Do the same for the other side. Now match the point that you just move to the middle line here. Upward like this. It should look like this, like a bird. If you just put an eye and eye on the white space. Do the same thing for the other side. After that, put the flap back behind that front flap. Like behind the front flap. Like this. Just put it in. It should look like this. Do the same for the other side. Back behind the flap. Seal it, and it should look like this. Now put one flap to the right, and then do the same for the other side so that it will be 2 to 2 again to show the color part. Now put the lower point to the middle line, somewhere here. You should be able to see it. Do the same for the other side. Where the middle point is. Now tuck the paper in back behind like this, similar to the one you did earlier. Do the same. Tuck it behind, back that paper. And it should look like a diamond. Now, open it by putting your fingers in the top and then pushing the bottom in with your thumb. It's better to hold it and fold it while you do that. I'm gonna start folding it. As neatly as you do it, it will be very straight. So now your box is complete. Don't worry about the bottom because you won't be able to see it. It's like really 4 times as the small one because it's really small. So today I made a confectionery box out of this origami. I'll put my paper clips in like this. It's really easy to use. You can use it for anything, so that's the best part of this. And it's also cute. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch my other videos. Bye!